Before we get into this, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Today we're working on the 2011 Tacoma out here in the driveway, and what we're going to do today is just a simple routine maintenance type project, and that's replacing the wiper blades. The driver's side wiper blade on mine has started to come apart, and I don't want to get to the point where there's no rubber and it's starting to scratch the glass, so I'm going to replace the driver's side and passenger side windshield wipers today. I'm replacing them with these Bosch Icon blades. The driver's side is a 22 inch, so you want to make sure you have a 22 for the driver's side, and the passenger side is actually a 21. So make sure that you have that correct when you go to make your order. Pick it up any part store online, anywhere that has them. Bosch is a good name brand. Rain-X is another good name brand. I'm not sure what the brand is that's on the truck right now. I don't think that I've replaced these since I bought the truck, so I'm going to show you how to take apart and get the old wiper blade off, and then I'll show you how to put the new wiper blade on. So here is a close-up of the driver's side, and this is the point where this attaches right here, and so we need to be able to get this piece off, and in order to do that, looks like it's two-piece. So there's a button right here I'm going to push in to get this part to come undone. Let's see, I think I'm pushing that right. That sure doesn't want to come off. Let's see here. Hopefully it's just old enough. There we go. Alright, so push the button in. Now that piece is released. Now, to get this off, I'm just going to turn it 90 degrees and push this through like that. That's how most of them come apart anyway. And then I can take this end off. And again, we want to make sure we get our 22. I'm going to get this one out. So this is the Bosch one that I just pulled out of the package. So this is what we're replacing it with. And what we're going to do on this one is there's just these two little kind of finger grooves on either side. We're just going to pop this open and then insert this into here, and it's going to go past this little round spot right here. Once it goes past that, we're going to go over that spot and then push that all the way up and snap it on, and now the driver's side is done. Let's go do the passenger side now. So over here on the passenger side, looks like we have the exact same wipers we had on the other side, so we have to push this button in. Once you get that button depressed, the two-piece just slides out. This is just sliding up, and that comes off. Then we flip this 90 degrees and push this in to take this off. And we get our new one out. And the new one actually has the directions on here on how to orient it on the hook, how to open the cover, go over the hook, pull the hook onto the blade connector, and then snap the cover on the top of the blade down. And again, this is a 21 inch on the passenger side. So I've got the new blade out, and I'm going to pop that cover open like we did on the other side. So that cover is open now. Then we orient it to where we're going to put it over through the cover hole onto the round part inside the blade. And once you have that pulled up all the way, just snap that cover down, and we're done. So this is what the wiper blades look like This one, that's the passenger side. As you can see, it's frayed and kind of started getting cracked. This is actually the driver's side. The center blade is actually completely, sorry, the center blade here, the longer blade, is actually completely snapped off, but it broke off with such a clean line that it's just continued to wipe the windshield. But that is obviously needed to be replaced. So not a bad little job, but I figured I would take the time to show y'all any of the little projects that I have where I'm doing any kind of maintenance on this. So eventually we'll get around to doing brakes, you know, pads, that kind of stuff, oil change, coolant flush. So for now, this is all we need to do today. And as you can tell, it looks a whole lot better just having new blades on the truck. So that in and of itself is nice. But now the windshield will actually get clean when I turn the windshield wipers on. Thanks once again for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all the help, all the subscriptions, all the comments. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will leave a link to the wiper blades that I purchased from Autozone in the description below. See you next time.